Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Telsa SGM Plugs. Today's video is about my DIY wall decor picture frame. This picture frame is made from the dried autumn leaves. Look at here, it is a different sizes. I have here small, medium and large size of the autumn leaves, and it is painted one by one with the use of acrylic paint, and fix it here one by one with the use of a hot glue. Just put a little bit hot glue on this cardboard, and the cardboard here is the background is green palm leaves. Just fix it one by one and just arrange it first before you will fix it into the cardboard. And after fixing to the cardboard, you can attach the glass into the frame. And this is already an instant DIY home decoration picture frame for the autumn season. This is how to recycle the autumn leaves and transform into a beautiful and unique home decoration for the autumn season. This is a very easy project. If you don't have acrylic paint, you can use a golden nail polish or yellow nail polish, and you can create your instant DIY wall decoration. So if you want to learn how to create different projects, just visit my channel and click the playlist how to create home decorations. And in this tutorial, please replay my live tutorial on how I created this project. Just check my channel playlist live tutorial, and then you can follow step by steps on how I created this project. So guys, if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, leave a comment and share this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new projects. And in my channel, you will learn different things like DIY project, recycling empty bottles, different waste materials, and transform into unique and beautiful home decoration, fashion accessories, and many things. And try also to watch my cooking vlogs and my travel vlogs. This channel, the content is mixed with DIY project, travel vlogs, and cooking vlogs, and my lifestyle. So guys, thank you for watching, and keep safe, and God bless everyone. Thanks to all my subscribers and my viewers who always support my channel and following my videos every time I uploaded a new videos. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Maraming salamat. Daghang salamat. Merci. Efrestopoli. Grazie. Gracias. Shukran. Shukriya. Buhut buhut shukriya. Don't forget to like, subscribe Telsa's blogs. Please check my other project for autumn season. Just click my channel playlist Autumn Home Decorations by Raptelsa's Blogs. This is also my other project for the autumn, this one. This is a table centerpiece also. This is painted with different colors and fix it into the serving plate. So you can check also my tutorial on this, with how I created this autumn home decoration table centerpiece.